Welcome to the mystical world of tax documents. Ever wondered about the elusive IRP5 certificate and its enigmatic cousin, the IT3a certificate? Let's embark on a quest to unravel these financial mysteries together. First up, what is an IRP5? It's not a robot, although it sounds like one. It's actually your tax certificate from your employer showing exactly how much you earned and the tax you've paid, like a report card. The magical IT3a is a certificate similar to an IRP5, but is usually given to you if you've earned income that is not enough to tax. This will be reflected at code 4150 with the reason code indication, for example, 01, explaining the reason why no tax will be deducted, for example, certain types of interest income, or a qualifying salary as indicated in the SARS tax tables available on sars.gov.za. Dispose of doubts, for these certificates are your trusty sidekicks in tax season. They help SARS in crafting your income tax return information, determining if you get a refund or owe more money. What is the difference then? The main difference between the two is that the IRP5 indicates that tax was deducted, while the IT3a shows that no tax was deducted. Think of the IRP5 as a receipt for taxes paid, and the IT3a as a notification of income received without tax deductions. Remember to ensure to store your documents, including your tax certificates, securely for 5 years as required by SARS in case of an audit. Hashtag be informed. Hashtag your tax matters. SARS at your service.